Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rhoda Snyder. Today we are going to make pancakes. We've used 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 cup wheat flour. Mix all of that up. The next thing we are going to add is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of milk, or you can use water. Mix all of it up and it should look like so. Put some oil in your frying pan, then pour your mixture, your pancake mixture. You can spread it out so that it doesn't become extra thick in the middle. Once it's cooked within a minute, then turn the other side also to be cooked. To make mini pancakes, you're going to pour it bit by bit. Make tiny circles like so. Let them cook also, then turn the other side to cook as well. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates. And just like that, it's done, guys. The mini pancakes are ready. The main pancakes are also ready. You can try this at home and you'll find it's very tasty. Thanks for watching. Bye.